be the result? 2 Peter 3:15 and 16. What do you think would be the result? Asa pa sa Biblia atong tunan? All scriptures ato i-consider. Kaya kung di kita maun sa may mahitabo, ikadawang Pedro 3:15 o 16. Kaya sa mumulong din mo basa. 2 Peter 3:15. Okay. I'd like to ask, Sister Isa, you're looking.
Sir,
Sa Mama Isa. Not sister, I'm saying sister. Sorry. Okay, Mama Isa, can you read?
and account that the long suffering of our Lord is salvation. Even as our beloved brother Paul, also according to the wisdom given unto him, had written unto us. As also in all his epistles, speaking in them of these things, in which are some things hard to be understood, which they say that are unlearned and unstable rest, as they do also the other scriptures, unto their own wisdom.
Okay, what will happen? Searching with your own understanding, lisod ka, parakan lang po. What will be the end? Okay, our own destruction. Delikado yung suon. No? If we do not exercise care in our Bible study, it will lead to destruction. Marabang example ba nga nagwali? Igsoon ay kabalaga kung dili na maapil sa unang pagkabanhaw, kinapa ikaduhang pagkabanhaw, dito na lang ta. Do you understand what does it mean? Which means the preacher do not know about first and second resurrection. Anyway, we will study that one. And you know that's very wrong.